France, MRK India. So what you have to do is, आपको 6 months के बच्चे को भी इंडिया को दिखाना है. Okay? So you put cotton in Kashmir and you tell him, you know what? It's very cold here. There's snow in Kashmir. So he's seeing the map of the whole country as a shape. Then you take his hand and make him touch this. Okay? There is tea in Assam, stuck in Assam. So you're just telling him the word Assam. Now just imagine a child of 6 months is being taught about Assam, Kashmir. Then you give him this sand, okay? And you let him touch this sand, okay? It's just like a demo, yeah. So and you tell him Rajasthan, okay? Your child of 2 years who has just started speaking will know 5 states. Rajasthan, Kerala. Then you take coconut, actual real coconut. You remove the top section from it, और वो coconut आप यहाँ चिपकाइए. And then you tell him, you know what? In Kerala there's a lot of coconuts. So now he's learned geography. He's learned 4 or 5 states. He's learned the geography because of these 3D things, okay? And he will be able to say these words easily without any stress. So that's the difference between right brain and left brain. If you're doing left brain learning, you will write down one below the other. Kerala, coconut, Nagpur, oranges, this, that. And chalo, mak karo. Okay? This is what most of the time is done. And right brain mother, what she will do? She will take an orange ka chal, orange ka peel, and stick it in Nagpur. Okay? You stick the child's photograph here. So if you're making of your baby, you stick Barira's picture here, and you stick the orange here. Or usko batao, you live here. So to go to Nagpur, you have to go here. Oranges are got in Nagpur. So from here to here is Nagpur. Then you stick a picture of a grapes, or stick one manuka in Nasik, and you tell him all wine is made here, or grapes are made available. Okay? Now just imagine the learning. How joyous though. When they can see it on a map, when they can touch Nasik, when they can touch Nagpur, when they can touch Assam and say the word. Okay? So the right brain will learn by touch, it will learn by words, and will learn by visuals. So all of you, even though your baby may be 6 months, and thank you so much for all your support. Okay? Let's clap for him and hug him for Prabir. Yeah? So you've learned 5 states today, okay? 5 states. Yeah? Wow. And though you can't say them, you will remember them. Okay? Thank you so much.